In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a tours, flight, and hotel booking website using WordPress step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want to build a travel agency website, a tour booking platform, or a complete travel business website without coding. We'll be using WordPress and a powerful free plugin to handle trips, bookings, and travel listings. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage everything on your website. You can usually access it by going to your site.com/wp-admin and logging in with your admin credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm your website details. Make sure your site title, admin email, and basic settings are correct so everything runs smoothly as you build your booking website. Next, we're going to install the plugin that will power our tours, flights, and hotel bookings. From the left-hand menu in your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins and then click on Add New. This will open the WordPress plugin library where you can search for thousands of free plugins. In the search bar on the top right, type WP Travel. Once you see the WP Travel plugin appear in the results, go ahead and click Install Now. This plugin is designed specifically for creating travel and tour booking websites, and it gives you tools to create trips, manage bookings, and display travel packages professionally. After the installation finishes, click Activate, and if you see an opt-in or setup prompt, you can go ahead and confirm it. Once the plugin is activated, you'll notice a new menu option related to travel or bookings in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it, and then look for the option that says Create a Trip. This is where the magic happens. Creating a trip allows you to add tour packages, flights, or hotel stays to your website. When you click Create a Trip, you'll be taken to a new page where you can enter all the details for your travel offering. Start by adding a trip title, such as a city tour, vacation package, or hotel stay. Then add a detailed description explaining what's included, the itinerary, highlights, and any important information your customers need to know. Scroll down and you'll see options to set pricing, trip duration, destinations, and availability. This is where you can customize your booking experience. You can add featured images to make your trips visually appealing, and you can also configure booking settings so users can select dates and make reservations directly from your website. After filling in all the necessary details, review everything carefully, and then publish the trip. Once published, this trip will be available on the front end of your website for visitors to view and book. You can repeat this process to add multiple tours, flight packages, and hotel listings to build a complete travel booking platform. At this point, you've successfully set up the core functionality of a tours, flight, and hotel booking website using WordPress. From here, you can customize your website design using themes, add payment gateways, and optimize your pages for SEO to attract more visitors. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to create a tours, flight, and hotel booking website with WordPress using a free plugin. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.